Alright, to begin, I just added a clip to the timeline, and we will position our marker where we want the zoom in effect to end. We will select our clip, and we will click Add Keyframe. This will add 2 keyframes onto the clip itself. We can jump between the keyframes by clicking left and right arrow button, or we can just click on the keyframes itself to either drag, adjust, position, and select them. Now, in order to have the zoom in effect, we will select our ending keyframe, and we will adjust our main video by dragging the endpoints to zoom in and position where we want to be. This can also be done manually by altering the position and scale by clicking the left mouse button and dragging it left and right to adjust pixels. And when we're satisfied, we can play it back and see how it turned out. Now, the zoom in effect is locked in and will continue until we reset the frame. So we will need to add more keyframes, a keyframe for beginning the zoom out and where we will finish up. And this is done also by clicking K on your keyboard to add keyframes. Now we need to reset to our original position, and we have our last keyframe selected, as you can see by the red mark, and we can click Fit Canvas. This will reset the whole thing, and we can play it back to see how it looks. Zoom in, keep, zoom out. If you want a faster zoom in, you can just adjust your keyframes to make them shorter, and this will speed up the process. Another thing you can do is to select the keyframe, right-click on it, and go through the keyframe easing, which is a few effects you can add to make a more engaging transition. So that's how you zoom in on a clip, but it's just a small part of the video editing process. And if you want to watch a full tutorial, 30 minutes of me going through step by step from start to finish how to edit videos, make sure to head over to the next video that's coming up right now.